Hello everyone, I am Marwa Rashed and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will have a story time. Our story for today is Rapunzel. Once there was a poor husband and wife who were waiting for their first baby to be born. The woman often wished for some Rapunzel lettuce to eat. Her husband decided to take some from the garden next door, even though the garden belonged to a witch. One night, the witch caught him. "I will let you live if you promise to give me your child," she said. The man sadly agreed. Not long after the baby was born, the witch came to visit the man and woman. She was there to take away the baby. With heavy hearts, they kissed their daughter and gave her to the witch. The witch promised to take care of the baby as if she was her own child. She named the girl Rapunzel. Rapunzel grew up to be very beautiful with long golden hair. On Rapunzel's 12th birthday, the witch locked her in a room at the top of a high tower. The tower had no door and no stairs, and only one window at the top. Each day, the witch came to visit Rapunzel. She stood at the bottom of the tower and called up, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." Then Rapunzel would drop her long braid of golden hair out of the window. The witch would then climb up the braid to get into the tower. A few years later, a handsome prince happened to hear Rapunzel singing in the tower. How could he meet the owner of that enchanting voice? There was no way to get into the tower, but then he watched as the witch called to the girl and then climbed up Rapunzel's braid into the tower. The prince waited until the witch left. Then he called, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." Out of the tower window came Rapunzel's braid of gold, and the prince climbed up. When he set eyes on Rapunzel, he fell in love with her and asked her to marry him. Since the prince was so nice, she agreed. The prince visited Rapunzel secretly every day, but one day the witch found the prince and Rapunzel together. She was furious. In a rage, she cut off Rapunzel's braid and banished her to a faraway land. Then she threw the prince out of the tower window. The witch was sure that he had died from the fall. Luckily, the prince fell into a bush and was not hurt. He went looking for Rapunzel. He wandered far and wide and began to think he would never find her again. Then, one day, he heard a beautiful voice singing a sad song. It was Rapunzel. They were soon married and they lived happily ever after. And that was the end of our story time. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.